Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be finding the Laplace transform of f of t equals 1 plus 5 e to the negative 2t minus 7 sine 5t. We're going to apply the linear property where we will take the Laplace transform of each term. Here are some of the formulas that will be helpful for us. The Laplace transform of a constant will be just a constant over s. Laplace transform of e to the at is 1 over s minus a, and the Laplace transform of sine of bt is b over s squared plus b squared. Starting off with the Laplace transform of 1, the constant is 1, so that's just 1 over s. For the exponential, we had first 5e to negative 2t, but the 5 can come outside, and we have 5 times the Laplace transform of e to the negative 2t. Here a is negative 2, so we just plug it into the formula. That's 5 times 1 over s minus negative 2, which turns into 5 over s plus 2. Finally, we're going to look at the sine term. We have Laplace transform of negative sine 5t. The negative 7 comes outside. And here b is going to be 5. So it's negative 7 times 5 over s squared plus 5 squared. And that simplifies to negative 35 over s squared plus 25. So now we could just combine all three results to get the final answer of 1 over s plus 5 over s plus 2 minus 35 over s squared plus 25.